Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Uh, Ohio, Ohio. Um, and don't be going to the store. Don't go to the store and be trying to say, Hunch or C. Jones said, we got pick two. Don't be going to the store talking about you want to play the pick two because they ain't on about. But you gotta follow me along with the lesson and understand um where I'm going. Okay. Any returning viewers or followers of my channel, I appreciate you. Going to you. Um, this for Ohio, cause we got some things to figure out. We got some things to figure out in Ohio, so we're gonna try to figure out the number for the day in Ohio collectively. Um, Today being 9/23. Today being 9/23, and our evening number in Ohio last night was 147. Now, depending on what part of Ohio you are from, um, if you're a sports fan, football fan, y'all Bengals play today. Y'all Bengals play today on Monday Night Football. Y'all Bengals play today. Okay. Y'all play today at 8:15. Got some auto picks for you. And I want to explain this auto picks. These are the pairs. The same way how people get auto picks and you know how it shows the number on there or whatever. You can get you some pairs as well. And it'll help you with better insight as to your number selection or study or whatever. But I'm gonna share this auto pick pair with you, and we're gonna compare it to the most recent number. We're gonna compare it to the date. We're gonna thoroughly go down it and see what best fits today's hit. So I captioned it. We bringing a pick two to Ohio. Ohio don't got to pick two. Ohio got to pick three, or pick four, or pick five. I think it's a few states that got to pick two. I think Florida's one of them. I'm not 100% sure. That's why I say I think. But today, we gonna bring that game to Ohio. We gonna bring that game to Ohio. So let's work out this 147. Let's work out this 147 because I believe before that was 383. So the two draws from yesterday was 383 and 437. Those were our two draws from yesterday. Midday and evening. Midday on top, evening on the bottom. 383, 147. I'm just using my addition. 3 plus 8 plus 3. Which is what? 6 plus 8 gave me 14. So off of midday, 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 3 is 14. Look at the 14, y'all. Look at the 14. Furthermore, going on my math, if I'm doing the same thing, adding the 1 plus the 4 plus the 7, 1 and 4 is 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay. A, B, C equals 1, 2, 3. Remember that song in that game? ABC equals 1, 2, 3. Let's play ABC. ABC equals 1, 2, 3. So from yesterday, out of A, B, and C, what was used? We used C 2 times. We used A 1 time. We did not use B. B is a 2. Notice my last sum count was 12. It has a 2 in it. Today's date being 2, 3. So off of my date, I'm automatically on B and C off today's date being 2 and 3. I didn't use B yesterday, so B will be used today. That's why I say we're going to bring the pick 2 to Ohio. So off of B, I got money coming out of this setup right here. Because B wasn't used. This is my most powerful setup for today. Okay. So I guess that's why the computer decided to throw these 2 2s at the top to where I can't miss them. A 2 needs to be used today. 2 will be used today. This is my power bucket right here. This is my power setup off of ABC being 1, 2, 3. So if you got 2 numbers that you want to put with the 2, today's date is the perfect day to do so. Okay, so counting. I went from 14 down to 12 on my sum. Okay, I got a 3. A 3 can be 13, or 1 can be 11. So I got 13 with a sum of 14, 11 with a sum of 12. Okay, after 12, I got 13. Under 12, I got 11. So I need a 2 used today, which is B. I need to break down the digit 2. What does 2 equal? What does 2 equal? Let's figure it out. What 2 equals is, change colors on the pen again right quick. I'm doing this that way you can see certain parts. What does 2 equal? A 2, a number 2. A 2. If I flip a 2 flips to a 5. I add 3 to it. To get a flip number, I add or subtract 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. A 2 is a 5, okay? A 2 is a 5. That's if I'm flipping it forwards. If I flip it backwards, like I said, the 2 or the 1 being 11, my 2 is 12. So I flip it backwards. I do 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 11, 10, 9. A 2 is also a 9. Okay? A 2 is also a 9. A 9 flips to a 6. A 5 flips to an 8. I don't need that go that farther on the board though, because I'm just working off of A, B, and C. A and C were used. I need to work strictly off B. B is 2. 2 is 5 or 9. I already got down 2. 2 is 5 or 9. So I'm going the same way. No need to make it any harder than what it is. This is your setup, midday and or evening. Play the pick 2 and the pick 3. Play the pick 2 and the pick 3. Play the pick 2 and the pick 3. We'll see what the hit gonna be. Play the pick 2 and the pick 3. If I'm counting 12, 12, give me a value of 12. This can be 0, 1, giving me a value of 12. If I'm going 13, this can be an 8. 5 and 8 is 13. This can be a 0. 5, 8, 0. 13. 12. 9, 0, 3. 12 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 13. 9, 0, 4 is 13. 14. 9, 0, 5. 9 and 5 is 14. Or if they go to 15, 5, 5, 5 is 15. Or if they go down to 11, 9, 0, 2. 9 and 2 is 11. These are most important tools. The symbols is all the same. Those are the tools. You just got to know which to use. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. It starts from subtraction, though. It starts from subtraction, y'all. It starts from subtraction. Subtraction, addition, multiplication, which ain't nothing but addition sideways. And they try to use this as a cross. Y'all better catch up, man. So Ohio, pick 3 players. Let's play the pick 2 today. The Bengals play today at 8:15. Bengals area code 513. 8 minus 3 is 5. Bengals play today 8:15. Bengals area code 513. Look at my setup, y'all. Okay. So Ohio, midday and or evening. Pick 2. I gave you 1. I gave you 3 boxes with 1 number in each box. Pick you 2 and put with 1 of these numbers in each box. Okay. That's what I got for today, y'all. Good luck to you. We'll talk about it later. C. Jones Lotto Licks.